Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, like we always do, I am going to recap these calls. First call was by Tata Steel at 885. This is the daily chart of Tata Steel. Let me zoom out a bit. There was a huge bullish momentum in Tata Steel which went as high as 953.25. I'm going to go to 15-minute chart and see where was the breakout level. 885. This is 885 somewhere here. Price did not came lower than 885 throughout the session, which means all our targets were easily achieved. If you have taken a trade in Tata Steel, let me know how much profit you made out of it. Second call was buy JSW Steel at 570. JSW Steel. It seems that in today's session, all the steel stocks were bleeding. Let me go to 15-minute chart. And what was our entry level? 570. 570 was our entry level and where it was executed. 570. Somewhere here. 573. Then price came as low as 567. So we were not that fortunate in JSW Steel. We only got one target. One target hit because price corrected and it went lower than our stop loss. Third call was buy RBL Bank at 218. Talking about RBL Bank, let me go to daily chart once again. 218.55, which means unfortunately we had to take a stop loss. SL hit. Fourth and final call was by Tata Chemicals at 825. 825. Let me go to Tata Chemicals. 833. Where is 15-minute chart? 825. The order got executed somewhere here. 828.40. 825. 830. 824.50. 823.50. 833. Which means our stop loss was never in danger. 833. Am I right? Yeah. Which means two targets hit. Today was a fruitful day in terms of pre-market calls. In the next part of the video, I am going to take you through 4 stocks one by one. First stock that I am going to analyze is Marico Limited. On the hourly chart, this is a strong resistance level. And why I am saying that, look at the deep retracement and the volume activity for this long range bearish candle was off the chart. After that, the support was found around the round number of 400. Slowly and surely, buyers came into the picture. They pushed the price higher almost every single day. Fighting prevailing selling pressure, as you can see from bearish candle. And look at the volume activity after this long range bearish candle for bullish candle. We can see the volume activity for bullish candle is easily overpowering volume activity for bearish candle. Also at the same time, the size of the bullish candle is higher than bearish candle. So this means that buyers are willing to take the price and eventually break the breakout level of 416.50. Talking about targets, we have to go to daily chart, and I do see target of around, let me zoom out a bit, 420 to 424. This is where there is a strong supply coming, as you can see multiple candles with the wick on the top end along with lot of correction. Second stock is Tata Consumer. On the daily chart, this three candlestick price action pattern is what I live for every single day. And why is that? I will explain you. This is a long range bullish candle and it has high level of buying activity followed by selling from 20 to 25% of the buyers who bought throughout this candle, which can be seen from low volume activity. After that, there is a accumulation going on, as we can see from bullish candle. The volume activity has not risen, but it is going to take time, and with every passing second in tomorrow's session, we should see buyers regaining control of the stock price and the breakout should happen. The breakout level is 6780.70 or 75. I do see round number of 700 getting challenged too. Let us see what happens. Third stock which I have selected for tomorrow's session is Dabur India. I am going to zoom in. Just pay attention to this two price action candlestick pattern. I am going to pause the video right here and tell me which price action pattern this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me explain that to you. This is a long range bullish candle followed by a high level of buying activity. After that there is selling, and the low of this bearish candle is almost at half level of this bullish candle. The volume activity for bearish candle is low as compared to bullish candle. This is a well-known candlestick pattern called inside bar, and we can easily see the momentum has paused a bit and we expect buyers to come in at lower level. Rather than trading right away at the current market price, I am going to wait for the breakout to happen from the high of today's session, which is 561.70 and above that. If that happens, I do see a lot of buyers coming in. I am looking at profit of around 10 rupees or so. Fourth and final stock is JSW Steel. On the hourly chart, we can find a well-known Japanese candlestick pattern called, this is a pole and this is flag. See the retracement or consolidation, whatever you want to call it, is not even 50% of the pole, which means that this is just a correction or outstanding buyers taking profit. You might get swayed by the volume activity here, but pay attention to this. This bearish candle has a long wick on the top end, which means that this high level of bearish volume candle also has pretty high volume, pretty high buying activity. I hope you understood that. Which means that I do not see any problem for JSW Steel to continue making higher highs. I expect a target around 620.50 at least. Current market price is 614. So we can take the trade right away. Let me go to 5-minute chart and find a good pattern. I think 621 right here looks like a very good pattern to trade. Or what we can do, we can buy at 618 or 617.50. I do think there's going to be a decent buying coming up. It's the last day or last session of the week, and buyers should be excited to book the profit. Based on the analysis, these are the levels which I have arrived on. Make sure that you do not tweak your quantity size too much unless you double your trading capital. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your evening.